Hello there. I'm AC Cash. This is JD Boone. We're Pivot Point Investors. Today we just want to cover a few things dealing with everything that's going on in our society, particularly in our stock market, in our investment environment. Right now, when we talk about stocks, we're talking about the apples of the world, the what else you got?
We got Apple. We talked about TLRD. Those are the brands in bankruptcy right now for Joseph A. Banks, for Men's Warehouse, and for K&G Clothing. With the pandemic, Lululemon is the stock now because everyone's at home, right? So women are wearing the leggings. Nike, more of the casual clothing designers are, the brands that are selling right now. With everyone being at home or working from home, and/or working out and being more active outside. So, just imagine, no more shirt and tie. Because this is the shirt and tie guy right here.
After this, the shirt and tie. We got to move and evolve with the times. And so, what we're talking about right now is people are asking every day, should I invest now? The stock market's high. Is it a bubble? Hey, there's a saying that says, when's the best time to invest? It's today.
Absolutely.
And since we can't go back in time, the best time we have is right now.
That's right.
When Amazon was at its low, when all the apples of the world were trading in the teens, we should have been there. But the next best thing we have is today.
That's right.
And so that's why we advocate getting in the market, getting your feet wet, and we're here to help you get your toes wet a little bit in the stock market.
Absolutely.
So as we talk about these things, as we cover all these topics, it's important to know that we can't affect yesterday, but what we can do is make a new path for tomorrow. And that's what we're doing here at Pivot Point Investors. JD Boone, what you got for them today?
Hey, to AC's point, you cannot time the market. That's an old Wall Street adage. And, today, I just looked at one of my high performers, and I'm gonna share it with my group. You are our group, so we're gonna share. I'm gonna give it to them. I think I'm gonna give them one. This one stock maybe you heard of it called Groupon. And that Groupon and that company, it was below $1 this year, if you could believe that.
Not $1.
It was below $1.
Okay.
And imagine I traded not day traded, but I swing traded that stock for 15 to 20% gains as it went from below $1 above $1, and then one day, earlier this summer, I go to sleep and it's a couple dollars, and I wake up and it's $17, $18 a share. I have to go back and look and see exactly what the amounts were, but it jumped into the teens from anything $5 or less is considered a penny stock. So it jumped from penny stock zone to the teens. And, it hung out there for a few days. It went, up into the $30 a share, and it came back down. And, even recently, it's been hovering around $15 a share. Mm-hmm. And so, but after hours today, we're talking about Thursday, August the 6th, it popped again, and it's up over 17% after hours.
All right, now hold on.
Yeah.
So you're saying you started at $1.
Below $1.
Below $1. Penny stock.
Penny stock zone. Mm-hmm.
And now you're over $17 a share.
Now it's over $19. It just popped 17.6% after hours. Okay. So it's almost 20% gain after hours. So something just happened.
That's right.
They either had a great call of some sort for second quarter earnings or something. Some news just happened.
I can understand
to make it pop.
And the importance of that is understanding that these are passive investments. You can go to work every day, put in your 8 hours, put in your 12 hours, 14 hours for a bunch of us, and then all you're going to get, unless you're in sales, unless you're getting commissions, unless you're able to work outside of time for money, this is passive to where you're investing, but the important part is to invest smartly. A lot of people invest in throwing money at the wall and hoping it sticks. This is an educated bit of guesswork, educated in its backing. It wasn't just, hey, let me wake up and get Groupon. It's studying the market, and that's a great thing JD Boone does every day. Study the market, see where it's flowing, look at the trends, and Groupon was another one on his radar. So another ching ching
That's
for
right.
JD Boom.
That's
I
right.
see.
That's right.
I
That's
see.
right. So then the next question I always get, and we always get, is, all right, where's it going, right?
Mm-hmm.
And so, you know, anything with investing, information and having the best information is what's going to make you, you know, top line investor. Not only having the best information, but acting on it. And so, across different platforms, you know, different access points we have for information, you know, most of them that we depend on heavily for our stocks and where they're going from an advisement standpoint for us, when we're doing our studying, is saying that this stock, Groupon, is going, you know, anywhere between $40 and $48 a share. So imagine that stock is not even $20 a share right now, and it's got that much room left in it, at least another $20 where you can double your money. So I know, would you like to double your money, Cash?
I want to double my money without going out and digging ditches,
Oh.
making phone calls, grinding and running in the streets. If I can put it somewhere that's relatively safe, something that's been recommended, I'm all in.
Absolutely.
I'm all in to double my money.
Absolutely.
Mm-hmm.
So make sure you check it, you know, with what your trusted financial advisors, do your own due diligence. You know,
Sure.
we are not, you know, recommending that stock as investment advisors in any way. We're just talking about stocks that we actually look at that have made us money and are making us money, that could potentially make you money. Mm-hmm. And so I just thank you for this time listening to us and allowing us to come into your homes and into your laptops and,
Right.
you know, into digital land and bring some of our flavor. You're going to get more of it to come, and the best is yet to come.
Best is yet to come.
That's right.
That's always a beautiful thing.
That's right.
And we can wind out this year with some JD Boom wings, some cash money in your bank account.
That's right.
That's always a good thing. And that's just holding our coattails. That's just getting into our back office and kind of seeing what's going on as we dig into the bag and make stock picks and give you financial and business information that'll help you grow the way you live with our educated guesses. And you just become part of our community, our family of friends who just want to earn and learn.
That's right.
That's what we're doing here at Pivot Point Investors. So for me, AC Cash, and for you, JD Boom.
Boom.
Pivot Point is out.
Boom!